From Bulem, good evening. As soon as safe the sea, massive work they go on now Wisdom Tree, Njala University Bo campus Toma. And this work here so now honorable member of Parliament SRC 2025-2026 academic year Ibrahim Sengu, General Abasanjo, now himself fully fundam and himself you see the honorable member safe in back the try for executing parallel himself work, laying back and then be counted for CS, you know, be honorable member for each money and all those things and they but you do the needful of the students and I think I impose there so go see like a brighter example.
Hello, Sierra Leoneans. As you say, me na Ibrahim Sengu, student, Njala University. I also serve in the position as Honorable Member of Parliament, which we call SRC, for 2025-2026 academic year. Definitely, as we all see this place has been a historical place. We are in students then, we don't graduate, they are not in a system. They see here, they come here and sit down for make them get a very convenient size so that they will forget cool breeze and what have you. But the place will become dirty, there is no management, nobody is managing the place for me. This place has become very clean. Of course, me don't take that bold step for make sure say I clean here on a mutual basis. This is part of my flagship program, as you already see. Of course, I dey make sure say I clean wisdom tree to the taste of everybody. Let me come in personally. This is the initiative brought by me. I bring this initiative as an honorable member of parliament because I want to make sure that this is part of my flagship program as a honorable member of parliament. I want to work for the people. I want to make sure that the health of the people is matter to me. That's why I want to bring back the glory of Wisdom Tree by making sure that I clean this place effectively. When I say effectively, I mean effectively, intensive cleaning. That's what I'm going to do. As we all can see, that place is a clear manifestation. Look at the dirt.
As you can see, this is not the appropriate location. These are dirt that can affect the health of the students.
Ibrahim Sengu, now the senior one, now this type leader they will want at this university because you know this is an example. So a leader now enforce for day before ever the balance they follow. As soon as I can see, now a leader they do so. A member of parliament of Njala University SRC. So you see, Ibrahim Sengu. So now this type leader will need in this university. Yes. Who they lead with examples. So
I want you to tell viewers if we are only limited to the cleaning of this wisdom tree, an exception of the remaining places on the campus.
Me serving as a honorable member of parliament, I have my own constituencies, definitely. But this is going to be on a cut across basis for the benefits of the general masses. I'll be cleaning the entire campus, but in anything so far, we have to get a stepping stone. Wisdom trees is serving as a stepping stone, definitely. So I want to make sure that this place we are clean.
Okay.
After the successful cleaning, we engage other departments, other relevant places for those places to be cleaned also.
Okay.
As an initiator who brought the ideal, of course, I've been meeting students, colleague students, but they're always giving me this cool gesture, definitely. They are telling me, hey, Ibrahim Singh, that's not, you are not the cleaner, you're here to study. I said, no. I'm here to study also, but I also have the civic responsibility to clean the place where I'm living. It's part of my civic responsibility. I want to make sure that this place should be well cleaned, definitely. So my advice here to students, even though cleaning is not your job description, but for the health of yourself, your very self, you have to engage a cleaning the place. So that's been the perception, the orientation that I've got from the far east of Kailahun. These are the end products of the cleaning exercise. We don't clean the vicinity of the wisdom tree. Of course, with the deeper bond, the dirty now. Or you are the virgin for complete this job, or you're there for witness. We don't even fire for the dirty, and the dirty deeper bond too. So, first of all, I want to say a big thank you to my team. Yeah, and they would believe in me. I thank you so much. May the blessing of God be with you now.